Let's talk about Amazon today, boy. What's going on with Amazon? 20 to 1 split.
Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing, now that's some money talk.
Yes, sir. Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby. I am the motivator. I am the educator. I am the options trader. And today we're going to talk about Amazon. They got a 20 to 1 split, baby. Okay, they just announced it today on Wednesday. Said they're doing a 20 to 1 split. Okay, it's the first split since 1999. Okay, and it's the fourth since Amazon IPO since 1997. So 4 times they did the stock split. So I thought it was coming, and here it is, baby. So let's get into the video, okay? What is Amazon? Amazon, take a symbol AMZN, baby, is a multinational technology company which engages in the provision of online retail shopping services. It operates through the following business segments of North America, International, and Amazon Web Services, AWS. The North America segment includes retail sales of consumer products and subscriptions through all over the world, baby. So, you know who Amazon is, okay? Amazon, boy. Whew. Now you're asking yourself, you know what I'm saying? What does this mean for us investors in the stock and all this thing? You know what's going on, okay? I'll tell you what this means, baby. This means that more people, who didn't have $3,000. Amazon was sitting at 3 stacks, homeboy. Sitting at 3 stacks. Everybody couldn't afford 3 stacks. And look at the price. Right now it's at $27.85. Everybody can't afford that. Everybody can't. You ain't put out, 2-3 stacks. Get a couple of stacks of shares of Amazon. So they doing a 21 split. They're gonna break it down for one share. That 27 is gonna be 20 shares. They're gonna just divide whatever the price is into 20. That gives more people who got less big pockets chance to get up in the game, baby. That should bring the stock up even more, make it more valuable for the common folk, baby. The people who ain't got that money. You know what I'm saying? This is for the poor folk who can get in the game, who always been looking at Amazon. Oh, Amazon $3,000. I ain't gonna buy no Amazon. I can't afford that. I can't afford Amazon. Come on now. You gotta break the chain, baby. You gotta break the chain. Everybody get a little piece. Everybody get a little piece. That's what's going to happen with the Amazon stock. And you see right now, okay, after hours it went up 6.58%, and today it was up 2.4% on the day. Okay, so Amazon is looking real delicious right now, looking real delicious before this 20 to 1 stock split. So almost up there to the $3,000. I believe it's going to be the past $3,000 for that stock split, that 21. You know what I'm saying? That's going on real soon. Okay, so see they launching a 20 for 1. Like a special out there, baby. You know what I'm saying? Giving you a special. And we all know Amazon is one of those blue chip stocks that I was talking about before. Something that you need to keep in your portfolio, especially if you long-term investing. You need something like Amazon, Apple, and no, none of this is financial advice. I'm not no financial advisor. I'm just here letting you know what I'm doing, baby. And I'm watching Amazon. You know what I'm saying? And now it's going to be for the 21 split. That should give more people a little chance to get into the game a little bit better, baby. All right? Okay. Amazon said on Wednesday it launched up to $10 billion buyback program. And this is big for the stock split. Okay? So they's already spending $10 billion to buy back the stock because they believe and they know that it's going to keep on going and doing what it's doing. Amazon got the whole shipping on lock. You know what I'm saying? You could damn near order anything you want and it's going to be in your crib 2 days, boy. Amazon comes to my house on a regular, homeboy, so I know about Amazon, okay? So I'm rocking with Amazon. I believe Amazon's still going to keep doing the thing. Can't nobody rock with them. Can't nobody get no shipments out 2 days, 1 day, same day delivery. Handle all your disputes. You know what I'm saying? Customer service on point. They give you all kind of little specials and stuff too. They keep you locked in. Then they got the streaming app too. They're making money off that. You know, Amazon Prime. Come on, I got Amazon Prime. I be watching movies on that too. So that's another game changer for it, baby. Okay. And they plan on buying back 10 billion of their own stock. So that let you know that Amazon is going to be changing the game. But this is the news on what's going on with Amazon. I plan on watching it, the 20-1 stock split, and increasing my position in Amazon, adding up. Now I should be able to give me a couple of shares of them guys nonsense. They should be the 21 to split. I should be able to do what it do. And this is news of what's going on, baby. And the Money Coach letting you know what's going on. Hit that like button and subscribe. We're going to be bringing the options trading live coming up soon. Got to get the schedule right, baby. But we're going to get in there. Be blessed to invest in yourself.
Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing, how that's some money talk. Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing, how that's some money talk.